Hello cozy hobby friends. Today I am taking you along with me as I re-ink several of my fountain pens. So this is my TWSBI Eco and my TWSBI Diamond 580. They are both inked with Diamine inks in the colors Midnight and Imperial Purple. I realized that I actually really don't like writing with these inks. I don't really love the writing experience. They don't feel very juicy to me and they're not super fun to write with, I would say. Like the ink doesn't just flow as quickly and freely as some of my Pilot inks do. To show you what I mean, I'm going to do like a quick little writing sample. And just for comparison's sake, let me show you what it looks like when I write with my Pilot Iroshizuku inks. I know there's really not a huge difference, but for me, I just really enjoy writing with my Pilot inks. For whatever reason, the Diamine inks just feel super dry, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour the ink back into the bottles and ink up with Pilot Iroshizuku instead. Okay, let's try to do this without spilling. And I'm just going to twist the opposite way to pour the ink back in. Okay, that's as far as it goes. Now the other one. Thank God, no spills. Okay, now it is time to wash my pens. I just rinse them under the sink. And here's the other one. Now I'm gonna swish the piston with clean water. I am filling the piston up, and then we'll push that water out into the sink. Rinse and repeat. I forgot that with my Diamine 580 pen, I can actually just take this nib off. Let me try. There we go. That'll make cleaning the inner part much more easy. I can't do that with my TWSBI Eco, so I'll just have to do the Piston Fill and rinse that way. So you just keep going until the water is clear. Obviously not yet. I'd say that about this point I am getting very close. Maybe just one more rinse. This looks pretty good and clear to me. Might be the last one here. Afterwards, I just leave everything to air dry on a paper towel until the next day. Hello, it is the following day. My pens have dried, and so now they are ready to be inked up. I chose these two colors for my pens because I wanted a cool tone and a warm tone. All of my other pens right now are inked up in blues and greens, so I wanted a nice little warm color for some variation. I actually did an ink test and swatch for all of my Pilot inks in another video, so if you're interested in seeing that, I'll link it right here. Okay, let's get these guys inked up. I wanted a blue so that this can kind of be like a workhorse pen and be used for anything. This is the first time I am using this color Konpeki. I heard it is gorgeous, so I'm very excited to try it out. Here's the blue inked up. Get this cleaned up a bit before I use it, so I don't have inky blue fingers. Although I guess that's inevitable when you're refilling a fountain pen. Now for the other one. I believe this shade is a really pretty bright red. Of course, I will do a sample when I'm done inking up these pens so you can see what they look like. There we go. That one's done. Wipe this guy up as well before I start using it. Yay, excited! Here's the same writing sample. Alright, so here is what they now look like. I can immediately tell while writing with my TWSBI Eco that the line width is a little bit wider than the Diamine inks, and I think that's exactly what I like. I do like how the letters are just more thick, and it feels like the ink just flows right out. It's so juicy, gorgeous. I actually find the writing experience with my Diamond 580 not as good. It actually feels a little bit more scratchy than when I use the Eco. And I don't know if that's just because they use two different nibs, but I think for me personally, I just really love the pairing of my TWSBI Ecos with a Pilot ink. I was excited to use my blue ink in my journal, but there was a little bit of an ink splatter. Oh well, I guess that'll just add interest to this page and remind me that I refilled my ink today. Well, I hope you enjoyed following along with me in this video as I inked these pens up. Let me know what are your favorite ink and pen pairings. I would love to see and try them out as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you again next time.